Ready to max out your games, crush 4K, or jump into AI rendering in 2025? These are the best graphics cards you can get this year. From budget heroes to absolute performance monsters. The Asus TUF Gaming RTX 5070 TIOC is an absolute sweet spot for high-end 1440p and even entry-level 4K gaming. With 16 gigabytes of next-gen GDDR7 VRAM, a boosted 2610 MHz clock, and PCIe 5.0 support. This card is built for future-proof performance. You get 2 HDMI ports and 3 DisplayPort 2.1 outputs, RGB lighting, and a tough, ventilated shroud with TUF's signature military-grade components. It's factory overclocked for extra FPS and ideal for gamers who want power, stability, and a clean, bold design without the price tag of a 5080 or 5090. If you're building on a budget or upgrading an older rig, the MSI RTX 4060 Ventus 2X OC is a fantastic pick. With 8 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory, PCIe Gen 4, and support for DLSS 3 and ray tracing, this card is perfect for smooth 1080p and light 1440p on gaming. It's compact and efficient, features dual Torx fans, and offers great thermal performance. You also get 3 DisplayPort 1.4a outputs and HDMI 2.1a, making it fully ready for 4K media playback and high-refresh monitors. For gamers who want modern features at a lower cost, this one checks all the right boxes. Now stepping into elite territory, the Asus TUF RTX 5080 OC is made for ultra settings and creative workloads. This card runs on 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM with PCIe 5.0, a 3.6 slot cooler, and Asus's enhanced Axial Tech fan system with vapor chamber cooling. It's built using military-grade components and a protective PCB coating, making it one of the most durable cards in its class. Whether you're gaming at 4K, editing 8K video, or training AI models, the 5080 is a high-performance workhorse ready for anything. This is the king of the GPU hill, the RTX 5090 Founders Edition. It's the most powerful consumer GPU of 2025, packing next-gen CUDA cores, massive GDDR7 memory, DLSS 4, and extreme power efficiency thanks to NVIDIA's new Ada Lovelace Plus architecture. Its Founders Edition design is sleek and minimal, with improved cooling and dual axial fans. Whether you're pushing high-end VR, ultra 4K gaming, or real-time rendering, the 5090 sets a new standard. But it comes at a premium. Best for hardcore gamers and creators who need top-tier performance with no compromises. If you're aiming for strong 1440p and occasional 4K gaming, the Gigabyte RTX 4070 Super WindForce OC is a beast in disguise. With 12 gigabytes of GDDR6X, a 2505 MHz factory boost clock, and support for DLSS 3.5, it offers high FPS, excellent cooling, and modern visual fidelity. The WindForce triple fan design keeps thermals in check, and its 192-bit memory interface ensures smooth frame pacing in demanding titles. Perfect for competitive gamers or creators using tools like Unreal, Blender, or DaVinci Resolve. Which one are you picking for your next build? Let me know in the comments. All the product links are in the description. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more GPU and PC hardware reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, build smart and game hard.